Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance in 2025, step by step and easy to follow. Let's begin. Step 1. Open the Binance app and go to Wallet. Deposit. Step 2. Search for USDT, then choose the network you want to use, like TRC20 for low fees. Copy the Binance deposit address that appears. Step 3. Now open your Bitget app, go to Assets, and tap Withdraw. Step 4. Choose USDT as the token to withdraw. Step 5. Paste the Binance wallet address you copied earlier. Then select the same network you chose on Binance. This is super important to avoid losing funds. Step 6. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, review the details, and hit Withdraw. Step 7. Complete the security verification process, email, phone, or authenticator code, then confirm the transaction. Your USDT will arrive in Binance within a few minutes, depending on the network speed. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more crypto tips.